In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a received payment in QuickBooks Online. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you can navigate this process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL https:/qbo.intuit.com. Once there, enter your login credentials in the designated fields and sign in to access your QuickBooks account. Make sure to use the correct email and password associated with your account to avoid any login issues. If you have multiple accounts, be sure you are accessing the right one for this task. Now that you're signed in, let's head over to locate the received payment that you wish to delete. Start by clicking on Sales in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, select Customers. This will bring up a list of all your customers. Scroll through these customers until you find the one whose payment you need to delete. Once you've found the right customer, click on their name to see their transaction list. Take your time and browse through the list, or, if you prefer, use the search bar at the top to look for the payment by entering specific details like the payment amount or the date it was received. This can be a real time saver if you're dealing with a large number of transactions. After finding the correct payment in the transaction list, click on it to open up its details. This step is crucial as it allows you to check the specifics of the payment transaction. Once inside, your next task is to check the deposit status. Be sure to note whether the payment has been deposited. You can do this by looking for the Deposit To field on the payment screen, indicating which bank account the payment was sent to. If it turns out the payment was deposited, our next step is to address this before moving forward. You'll need to go to Accounting and select Chart of Accounts. Find the bank account where the payment was deposited, and then click on View Register. This will show you all transactions related to that account. Look through the register to locate the deposit transaction that includes the payment you're working with. Click on it, then choose Delete or Undo if that option is available. This step is necessary because it will effectively reverse the process and return the payment to the undeposited funds account. Once you've handled any necessary deposits, go back to the payment transaction. It's time to officially delete that payment. Look for the More option at the bottom left of the screen and click on it. Next, select Delete. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion, so be sure to proceed with confidence if this is indeed what you want to accomplish. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a received payment in QuickBooks Online. As always, make sure to double check that everything is correctly adjusted in your records to maintain accurate accounts. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.